Is SRF going to go up by 35 to 40% from this point onwards? Let's analyze what the technical charts are telling us. SRF has been in consolidation for past 2.5 years. From October 2021, it has been consolidating for almost 2.5 years. As we can see, it has been consolidating for 2.5 years. It has taken a strong support at 2100 levels. Every time it comes here, it bounces from 2100. This week, it has given a clean breakout from the triangle. It has formed a nice candle, full candle body above the triangle, which is a good thing. Second thing is it has closed above the previous high. Second positive. If we go and refer to Ichimoku signal, then all five indicators in Ichimoku are giving us a green signal that yes, this is a bullish breakout. The stock is likely to go up. How far will it go up? As per the triangle theory, we have to measure from the low to the high. So this is the high of the triangle. If we have to measure it and keep it at the breakout point. So from this point onwards, it is likely to go up by 35 to 40%. It is likely to go up. How many days will it take? It is likely to take 6 to 8 months to reach to its target. If we are trading, we should always have a stop loss. What should be our stop loss? Stop loss for a triangle, only triangle trading, you should always keep the width of the triangle where it took a breakout, and roughly it is giving 355 points. You should trail with 355 points from the top. If you are using Ichimoku, Ichimoku will give you a clear levels of trailing stop loss. The lines in Ichimoku signal will give you exact trailing point above which you can keep your position in the stock. Ichimoku signal is explained in detail in my masterclass. With this, we come to the end of this video. Disclaimer, this is an educational video. I am not soliciting you to trade in SRF. This is only for education purpose, for you to know how to do the technical analysis, what is the triangle, how to look out for the breakout, and how to manage the trade. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video in coming week. Thank you.